In this video, I will show you two new methods how to easily dance in CS2, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. The first dance in CS2 is what I like to call the Shakira's dance, and to do it, it's actually very easy. You just have to press the S key on your keyboard, and after that, quick press A key, and then D, and like this, you can do the funniest Shakira's dance in CS2. So just keep spamming the A and D key, and at the same time, press the S key. The second funny dance in CS2 looks like this when you do it in game, and to do this dance, basically what you need to do is to switch your knife and keep inspecting the knife over and over again and move the camera around, and by doing that the other players will see you doing this funny dance in CS2. Unfortunately, the Michael Jackson pick doesn't work anymore in CS2 because Valve patched it with the last update, but now you guys know two more ways to dance in CS2. Thank you for watching, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was helpful, please share this video with your friends so they will also know how to dance in CS2.